Datadesk has always excelled at creating quick visual insights for your data. Now with Datadesk RP, it is able to take the tools and analysis you have used and bring them into other environments like R and Python. To demonstrate this feature, we'll open up a data file I have on my workstation. Here we have Coasters 2015 as available from Dazzle. These variable names are correct, so I'll import them as is. Suppose we want to compare roller coasters by height, speed, and length. I'll select the three variables and click the rotating plot button. And there we are. Now to export, we'll just click on the Hyperview menu, go to Export, then Python, then to Clipboard, and your analysis will be saved to your clipboard. I'll paste the clipboard contents into a running Jupyter notebook, double checking the file name. Right now, this code would run as a Python program, but in a Jupyter notebook I need to make one small change. I type in $matplotlib notebook and press Shift-Enter to run my cell. And there we are, a 3D rotating plot. Now I can save this notebook and upload it to GitHub or publish it on the web. And that should demonstrate how easy Datadesk has made sharing your data with the latest update.